I'ma be who I'ma be. Becky.
Good. Got butt down, chest up. Good squat.
Good work, man. Good work.
Visit Big10.org now for ticket info.
Out of reps. Ready. Hurt.
Get a little swag going here. Play fast. Get your pads down. Don't be blocked.
Play the way you're capable of playing. Move your feet, get your pad level down, stay on your combinations, get movement, and you dominate this line of scrimmage. Make a choice right now.